Hey guys, welcome back to Yamadi.
This is Yoma.
And this is Sadi.
And today we have a special guest, my husband Cruz.
Hi, Cruzy.
Hi.
Today we'll be ordering what the person in front of us ordered. Hopefully we are not stuck with like a big meal for just 3 people.
Don't make me eat everything.
We're gonna try to do it all day today. So right now we're trying to do breakfast. So the first restaurant that we're gonna try is Bojangles. Person in front of us, it seems like it's just 2 people.
Welcome to Bojangles. May I take your order, please?
Yes, could I get the exact same thing the person in front of me got?
2 bacon, egg, cheese, 2 cheddar bows, and a coffee.
That sounds great.
Will that be all for you today?
That's it.
Okay, sweetheart. 11:20 at the window.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got the same. Okay, yeah. I just sent that out. 11:20.
Deja vu, right?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Yes, I get all the food. Okay, so let's see what we got. So here's the receipt. 2 bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Good. 2 cheddar bows. Ooh, a claim dibs
Oh
on the
my
cheddar bows.
God.
She dibs on the cheddar bows, but then I have nothing to drink. And no regular coffee.
Do you guys want to go to Starbucks next?
I'm scared.
Of
What they choose at Starbucks.
Let's go to Starbucks so that we can get a drink for Cruz and maybe myself.
Oh man. It's
Just one person?
No, it's
No,
two.
two.
It's
Two.
So man-
Two young chicks, and they're looking at their
They're
phone.
young?
Chicks?
Yeah, they're both girls. And they're looking at their phone, so it has to be something
No, they're
really...
from Wayne. They're
It's gotta be
students.
something really good or
They're
really
students,
bad.
dude.
Or it's a lot of orders.
Oh,
Lord.
Jesus.
Maybe they're ordering for the whole dorm.
Come on, dude. You're
Okay,
making
that's
this
enough
long.
food. That's enough stuff.
I don't think so.
I think they're just having a conversation now.
If you try to pull
No.
up real fast, you can see what they ordered. What do you think?
Okay, so let me push them out the way.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you this morning?
Yes, I would like to get exactly what the person in front of us ordered, please.
All 6 drinks?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank
Should
you.
be 26.79 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
We came for 2 drinks
So-
and we're taking 6.
Oh
my God.
I was saying
Okay,
someone
dip on
dropped-
that one that she just got. That's the cookie crumble.
We're gonna have breakfast now. We're gonna try our food, and we already tried all of our Starbucks drinks. So if you want to see that video, go ahead and wait for that video to come out. Let's start eating because Cruz is already hungry.
Yes. This person had 2 of these.
What is it?
What is it? Take it
Bacon,
out.
egg, and cheese biscuit.
What else do we have?
We got 2 of these. Hold it. And we got 2 cheddar bow biscuits, aka cheese biscuits.
Cheddar bow biscuits.
Although the cheese is burnt.
Oh.
But it's still pretty good.
I don't want bacon.
Oh, then
So you
That's
can have
fine.
all my bacon.
okay.
This is just like Kraft cheese stuck in between the biscuits.
So I'm gonna try the
Oh, cheddar bow.
cheddar bow, which is just a regular
Cheese biscuit.
southern cheese biscuit. Do you like your other biscuit?
Yeah, the bow cheddar biscuit, it's alright. I mean, like you said, it's just a normal biscuit. And the cheddar bacon, egg, and cheese.
The bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yeah, that one, it's okay. I mean, I removed the bacon, and I can still taste the bacon.
It's good.
So it's
Means
okay.
It was good bacon.
It's good. I like this one more. It's not that greasy. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so it's lunchtime. We went to the store, shopping and everything. Yoma got to choose, and she chose Taco Bell,
Yep.
which is Cruz's favorite. And
Yes.
I think it's all of our favorite.
Adi's favorite too.
Is it your favorite?
it's one of my favorites.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Would you like to try one of our delicious combos today?
I would like to get the same thing that the person in front of me just got.
The same exact order?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 1074, please pull forward.
Thank you. Did they get sauce?
Yeah, they
What did they get? What kind?
Fire.
Fire?
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
fire's
good.
So they got 1 quesarito beef with no sour cream, 2 5-layer burritos with no beans, no sour cream, and 2 add creamy jalapenos. Oh, so they added creamy jalapenos
What is that?
to both of them.
What is that?
I don't know. What's the 5-layer burrito? Do you know, Cruz?
5-layer burrito is usually beans, meat, cheese, sour cream. And what was the other one?
Creamy jalapenos.
Bean, cream, cheese,
And
beef, and tortilla.
Oh. So they basically just left the bean. I mean the
Beef,
and the cheese.
the cheese, yeah,
That's crazy.
and the tortilla. Here, try this one.
Whoa, this is good.
It's Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the best.
Yummy. This is like so good, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, so it has like the fizz,
Mountain Dew
like
Baja
explosion
Blast.
of flavors and excitement in your mouth. It's like a party. I don't know what the difference is, you guys.
What's
so
a quesarito?
It's a quesadilla and a burrito in one.
Oh.
how about
Here
we try?
It's a 5-layer burrito. They have rice in it.
This one is bland, dude.
Really? Without the beans?
And without the sour cream.
It's good.
They're gonna bite into the quesarito.
Yeah.
What do you think about that one? The quesarito.
I think it has more flavor than this one, but they're both kind of bland.
This one tastes like straight up like hot dog. Do you prefer this one or that one, Chris?
Oh, quesarito, 100%.
Okay.
So we're done eating our small little lunch that we had. I had the burrito. What was it? The 5-layer burrito. And Adi, you had the same thing, right?
Yeah, I had the same thing.
So to me, I think the person that ordered this was so wrong for not having sour cream or beans.
I agree. I think it would have made the burrito taste extra delicious with the sour cream.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I really want the beans. What?
You guys know what it had?
What?
It had the creamy jalapenos on there too.
Oh,
So that was the sauce that we
was
were
the
talking
sauce.
about.
Yep. That
But
sauce was good.
Yeah, it didn't actually need the extra sauce, the fire sauce, because it had like a kick to it. But I didn't remember
I
that.
forgot about the creamy
That it had
cream
that.
jalapeno.
Honestly, thank God that he added that, because otherwise I think our burrito would have been really dry.
Bland.
And bland, yeah. So I think I would ask for it again, but with the beans and with the sour cream. And obviously with that, what is it called again? The jalapeno.
creamy jalapenos.
Yeah, with the creamy jalapenos, just to see how it tastes all together. I think I would do that
Yeah.
again. Yeah. How about you, Cruz?
The quesarito overall is good, but it went so much better with the sour cream.
Alrighty, guys. So we'll see you during dinner. Okay, guys. So we're now going to go get some dinner. So we're going to try to give the challenge a twist by going into a restaurant and dine in.
We don't know if this is going to work out or not, or because it can go either ways. Either we're going to have a lot of food or not enough food.
Or some really yucky.
Or either we're going to be told they can't do it.
We're doing this video, right? So basically, if you have another table that has ordered something, you choose a table and you bring us whatever they have ordered.
So you want me to pick a table and then bring you whatever they have? Really?
Really? Yeah.
Okay. You want me to tell you what it is?
No,
Surprise us.
So it doesn't matter what it is.
No, whatever.
Three.
Well,
The same order as they had?
yeah, whatever. Even the drinks. Okay.
I wonder what they
He
got.
seems like a pretty nice guy, so.
I don't think it'd give us something crazy.
I mean, who knows?
He's what?
He seemed nice.
I don't think it'd be something crazy.
Well, obviously, tipping.
he at least is naming us what 3 other people got.
Yeah,
So
like
it's
another
not
table
like-
with 3 people.
Yeah.
That's it.
So we're not getting like an order of like 6 people, you know? So.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Oh, I thought that was ours.
Chris is getting excited.
Chips and salsa.
Doesn't matter what it is because
Yeah.
you know, Y'all like everything.
Hopefully.
Thank you.
If y'all need anything else, my name's John. Just let me know.
Okay,
All right,
Thank you. They
We
have,
got Mountain Dew.
we got an extra thing of salsa.
I'm guessing they got an extra one too.
Ooh, what is that? Queso?
It is good.
It is queso. You guys, we got queso.
Our waiter is being like super good about this.
He's promoting it.
Like he's not telling us what it is. He just brings it and walks away.
Because we said surprises, so he's like, surprise, surprise.
Hey, at least we don't have to waste time waiting to decide what to order.
I think I'm gonna do this more often.
How do you decide who's getting what?
We're all gonna share it. Yep.
Yeah. We're just gonna dig in.
That's what you get.
No,
That's all you get, man.
I know. But hey, I get the cheese dip.
Awesome.
Taco salad.
So this plate is like chicken breast with
Frijoles.
beans, rice, and a salad. Right here is like a case.
Taco, burrito.
No, it's a
tamal.
tamal.
A
It's
tamal?
a tamal.
Oh,
Wow.
with queso and a side
And a
salad.
That's frijoles charros and the taco salad.
This looks delicious.
Yeah.
It's alright.
¿De qué es?
The puerco.
I kind of like it because I like tamales de queso. So it's like tamal de queso and the puerco all in one.
The only thing I don't like is that the masa is bland.
It is.
But other than that,
Pretty good.
it's a normal. Other than that, it's a normal tamal de puerco.
So the frijoles are like black beans.
Is it good?
So you know how for lunch we didn't get beans or sour cream? We have a whole bowl of beans and sour cream here. This is not chicken, guys.
What
It's
is
a
it?
Huevo on a tortilla. Like chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles?
But just a tortilla and then the huevo on top.
Okay, let's see.
Did y'all regret it?
We have.
No.
We are.
No, it's all good.
They're so good.
I think I would come for breakfast.
Yeah. Good, right? Give me some of these beans.
Son huevos rancheros.
You think so?
Yeah.
For sure, for sure. Una salsita no caería nada mal.
No.
But we can get one.
I know.
And let me know when y'all ready for the tequila shots.
Okay.
Huh?
And we're like, okay.
Is this serious?
No.
No. Just don't drop the frijoles. Those are the best part of the meal so far.
Nuh-uh. Those eggs are so
They're
good.
nowhere near that.
So like, you guys, this taco salad is huge.
Yeah.
Huge.
So.
But with no lettuce.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
something
sí
weird.
tiene.
Where's the
Oh,
lettuce?
sí tiene.
At the bottom.
It's on a bed of
Ooh.
lettuce.
Yeah, just break this.
So it's beef, rice, beans, lettuce, queso,
And tomato.
and tomatoes.
Just good, you guys.
They should have put like sour cream on top of it. This has been a pretty interesting experience.
I really enjoyed it. It definitely brought us out of our comfort zone. I had fun.
I had fun too. I'm ready for a nap.
You ready for a nap?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's been a long
Okay.
day of eating.
Oh my god.
So you're tired of eating now?
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us going to different restaurants.
Hit the thumbs up. Hit the little bell.
And
We'll see you next
subscribe.
time. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all next time.
Yeah, if you guys. By the way, if you guys want us to bring my husband back and be part of one of our videos, let us know, comment below, and let us know in what other video you would like to see him in.
So until then, we'll see you guys next time.
Peace out.
Besitos gordos.
Bye.